Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your password on Netflix in two different situations. One is when you already know your password and you just want to change it, and the other one is if you forgot your password and you want to reset it so that you can access your account again. I'll be doing this for the PC version on my browser. You can use the app just as well, and the process is pretty much identical. So let's get right into it. Firstly, as you can see, I need to hover over my profile icon, then go into my account settings. From here, I need to click on security and go into the security details and click on password. Here, you can enter your current password if you know it, and then once you enter that, you need to enter your new password and re-enter the new password just to confirm it, and then you can click save and save your new password. You can click and make sure this is checked off to sign out of all devices. If you suspect that somebody stole your account or that somebody is using your account without your permission, you just click this, and once you change your password, all other devices will be unregistered and removed. And if you check it off, if you're 100% certain that all of the devices are yours, you can just check that off and then you'll still be logged in, but with a new password. Now, if you forgot your password, you just simply click forgot password, and here you'll need to enter your email if you choose email, or your phone number if you choose SMS text message, and you'll receive a code or a link depending on the way that you've chosen, and you'll need to enter that or click it to get to your password reset page, where you'll just enter your new password and re-enter it to confirm it, and then you'll have your new password up and ready. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.